Hello students, welcome to my channel Science World, and if you find this video useful for you, then please like, comment and share with your friends. Also subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get notified with my upcoming videos. Okay, so you can see my all the videos. So today's topic is microbes. What are microbes? Okay, so microbes are something like tiny microorganisms. They are very tiny. They are so tiny that we cannot see them with our eyes, open eyes. And to see these microbes, we need a microscope. This is the microscope. And when you keep these microbes here, microorganisms here, then only you will able to see these microorganisms, what is their shape and how they look like. Okay, so while studying about the dental care, we have read about the bacteria. So do you know what is bacteria? Bacteria are a type of microorganisms, or we can say microbes. They are called microorganisms or microbes, and these microbes are very tiny living things. They are living things. Okay, and they can be seen under only microscope. So all the microbes are not harmful for us, or all the microbes are not useful for us. Some are useful and some are harmful. So harmful microbes are called germs. What are they called? Germs. The harmful microbes are called germs because they spread diseases. They cause various diseases. बीमारियां फैलाते हैं, बीमारियों का कारण है, and that's why they are called the germs. Okay, they are very harmful for us. Here you can see there are different shapes of these microbes. Microbes, they are present everywhere. Okay, these microbes of different shapes and structure, they are present everywhere, including inside and outside of the bodies of the animals. In water they are present, in the air they are present, in the soil they are present, also in the bodies of animals they are present, over the skin also they are present. Okay, so they are found everywhere. They are present everywhere in the in our surrounding. Okay, they grow when they get favorable conditions, means when they get moisture or warmth, sunlight they get, then food they get, air they get, that time they start growing. Okay, that time they grow very fast and cause different problems. Okay, so there are mainly four types of microbes: bacteria, viruses, fungi and protozoa. Okay, there are four types of microbes: bacteria, viruses, fungi and protozoa. So first we will discuss about the bacteria. What are bacteria? See, we have already read about the bacteria, that they are very small single celled microorganisms which cannot be seen, which can be seen only under the microscope. Okay, so these bacteria cause some diseases like typhoid, fungi, tuberculosis, then pneumonia. These diseases are caused by the bacteria. These are the harmful bacteria, but there are some bacteria which are useful for us, and that useful bacteria help us to convert milk into curd. मिल्क से जो दही बनता है, दूध से जो दही बनता है, वो किसकी वजह से बनता है? बैक्टीरिया की वजह से. एंड दिस बैक्टीरिया आर यूजफुल बैक्टीरिया. ओके, सो and also some bacteria are present in our stomach, and they help in the digestion of food. These are good bacteria, these are helpful bacteria, and they help us in our digestion. Also some bacteria are present, some bacteria are present in the intestine of or stomach of other animals also, like the domestic animals we see, like cows, goats and buffaloes and deers. Okay, these animals also have bacteria in their stomach, and they help them to digest the food whatever they eat. Okay, so this is all about the bacteria. Then we have viruses. So here you can see these are the viruses, these are the fungi, and these are the protozoans. So we will read one by one. Then secondly we have here viruses. What are viruses? Okay, so viruses are found everywhere. They are also just like the bacteria, very tiny, small. We cannot see them with our eyes, है ना, बहुत छोटे होते हैं. And they cause diseases like common cold, okay, सर्दी जुकाम, then chicken pox, then smallpox. These are the diseases that are caused by viruses, and viruses are always harmful. Viruses are always harmful. वो हमेशा ही harmful होते हैं. They always spread diseases. Okay, so these are the viruses. The virus that we are suffering these days, it is COVID-19. You may know or you must know about this virus, that is COVID-19, and it is spreading all over the world very fast, and lakhs of people are suffered from this, and lakhs of people lost their life due to this disease or due to this virus, that is COVID-19. Okay, so this is about the viruses. Then we have fungi. Fungi, these are also useful or harmful for us. Fungi, these are also small microorganisms, and sometimes you may have seen white color layer on the chapati or bread, spoiled bread. Okay, that your mama says that वो ख़राब हो गया, उसके ऊपर फफूंद आ गई है ना, फफूंद जिसको हम बोलते हैं, ख़राब हो जाता है ब्रेड या चपाती या कोई भी फूड आइटम, तो वो फफूंद मीन्स दिस फंजाई. Actually फफूंद is known as mold and it is a type of this fungi. Okay, तो मोल्ड जो होता है ब्रेड के ऊपर, चपाती के ऊपर आता है, that is also one type of fungi. Okay, and it is harmful for us. If you eat the bread which is having mold or chapati which is having mold, that means mold is grown over the bread, then your stomach will become upset. Okay, and then you will have stomach problem like stomach ache and all. Okay, so these fungi may be harmful for us because they spread diseases like other diseases also, skin diseases they spread like ringworms जिसको हम बोलते हैं दांत खाज खुजली, and eczema, है ना, ringworm and eczema. So these fungi spread this type of diseases on our skin. Okay, and some fungi are useful like mushrooms. You know mushrooms that we eat. Some mushrooms are edible, some mushrooms are poisonous, so we must eat only edible mushrooms that are good for our health. Okay, so mushrooms are it is a food item that we use it as a food. This is also fungi. Then yeast is a fungi that we use to make bread and other bakery items. It is also used to make idlis, है ना. So these are the useful fungi or useful microorganisms you can say, and the mold and other microorganisms, they are harmful for us because they spread different diseases. Okay, in the same way the last type of microorganisms, it is protozoa. Okay, protozoa are slightly bigger than in size than the bacteria. Protozoa are bigger than the bacteria. Okay, and they are harmful. Protozoa are harmful as they spread different diseases, they cause different diseases. The most important disease that we know, it is malaria. Malaria is spread by protozoa. We say that malaria is spread by the mosquitoes. Yes, it is spread by the mosquitoes, but the cause of malaria is a parasite, or we can say a protozoa or a microorganism, and that protozoa or that microbes live in the saliva of the mosquito. Okay, and when that mosquito bites us, that saliva is poured into the skin, and that microbes enter the skin of our body, and thus they spread the disease. Okay, so mosquitoes does not cause malaria, but they only carry the microbes of malaria from one person to the another person. Okay, so diseases like dysentery, malaria, sleeping sickness, they are caused by the protozoa. Now what is sleeping sickness? Is the can say sleeping sickness is a disease which is caused by the bite of a fly, and the name of that fly is tsetse fly. Tsetse fly. Okay, tsetse fly is there. It is found in the African, we can say African rainforest. It is growing fast there, this tsetse fly, and this spreads the disease sleeping sickness. And this tsetse fly has protozoa in their bodies, and these protozoa spread this sleeping sickness because of the bite of the tsetse fly. Okay, in the same way the malaria is spread over. Okay, so this is all about the protozoa. So we have seen the 4 types of microbes, that is bacteria, viruses, fungi and protozoa. Some are useful bacteria, some are harmful bacteria, but viruses are never useful, they are always harmful for us. Okay, so this is all about the microbes. In our next video we'll meet. Till then, take care. Goodbye.